Let me finish this real quick, okay? This is the last one we need to do. Problem number 40 says Jackie invests $25,000. So I want you guys to notice that as I read the problem, I just start writing things down. Her initial investment was $25,000. One part of it was 5.5%, and that was the annual interest rate. And the second part of that was invested in an account that yielded 8.3%. So two separate accounts. In fact, I'll read it word for word. Jackie invests $25,000, part at 5.5% annual interest rate, and the balance at 8.3 annual interest rate. How much is invested in each rate if Jackie receives 1 year interest of $1,571? Okay. So now here's the thing. What is so funny?
You just staring at us.
Well, teachers call that think time. I want you guys to have time to think about what I've written on the board. All right.
Why are you glaring at us?
Not glaring. Who said that the other day? You're like, you are teaching so aggressive right now. Was that you? You're like, you're so aggressive.
You were staring at Andy during 4th hour.
So anyways, so I don't know how much they've invested at the 5.5% interest rate, but I know that 5.5 as a decimal is 0.055 and the X amount of dollars. I don't know what it is, so whenever we don't know, we assign a variable to it. Plus 0.083, and I'll just call this Y because I don't know what that is, and whatever they invested in both of those, it should add up to an interest amount of $1,571. This is an algebra equation. The problem is if I use algebra to solve for X, I'm going to have Y. And if I try to solve for Y, I'm going to have X. So technically I have two unknowns, X and Y. Now whenever you have two unknowns and you want to solve, you need how many equations? 2. I've written 1. What should the second equation be? Huh? I think somebody said it.
X plus Y equals 25,000.
X plus Y equals, because this represents how much I invest in one account. This is how much I invest in the other account, and we know that I only have $25,000 to invest. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to subtract X from both sides, and I get Y is equal to 25,000 minus X. And so then I'm going to rewrite this equation by using substitution, and I'm going to say plus 0.083 times the quantity 25,000 minus X is equal to 1571. Now, I think you guys are smart enough to solve the rest of that, so I'll let you have some fun with that. I'm almost done. So then I have X is equal to 15. I'm leaving it in the video. Now wait, shh, don't laugh. This poor girl's in desperate need to hurry up and get out of here. We have X equals 15. Now that's how much I invest in one account. How much did I invest in the other account? Oh, wait. Yeah, 10,000. I think, let me double check the work, because I memorized them from earlier today. Oh, no, it was 18,000. This was 18,000, so then this would be 7,000. So I want you guys to fill in the blanks. I expect to see that. You need to show your work. Okay? But that's what your final answer should be. Any questions?